Sandy and Malcolm met when they were kids. They've really grown up together, and it's a love story. They make that kind of commitment, the kind of journey that they can create in their own lives. Very beautiful thing to see.
They really are filling gaps to allow programs to continue that without their help, it would be very difficult for the programs to continue.
The Bermans have allowed us to keep hope alive for children and families affected by neurologic disease.
You have touched the lives of children and allowed them to experience things they would never experience.
Magnitude and the breadth of what they've done. I mean, they've not just concentrated in one area. They really have a world view of what they're trying to do.
Healthcare, education, the arts, religion. They really spread their wealth around in a very significant way, and I think it's made a difference to a lot of us.
It is through their vision that they have really made a decision to help low-income children and adults that are dyslexic or have a language-based learning disability learn to read.
If you take a look at what the Bermans have accomplished throughout the greater Baltimore region and beyond, they're truly philanthropists at heart.
And it's so great to see the AFP, a nationally known and respected organization, recognized two people who really have given back and who understand the importance of philanthropy. The Bermans have four passions in life. Family is first and foremost. Secondly is their synagogue. Thirdly is this commitment they have to improving healthcare in our community. And fourth, they've also focused on education. Children who learn different, who have dyslexia. And so Sandy has been very active with the Maryland chapter of the International Dyslexia Association, more recently with Stevenson University.
At Stevenson University, for example, they've supported both nursing scholarships as well as a nursing center. We have one of the largest nursing programs in the state. And our students, many of them are first-generation students, so the fact that Sandy and Malcolm are willing to support them has really helped us tremendously. And their support, their specific support of our students and students at other places really makes a difference and permits those students who might not otherwise graduate to finish their degree. And then they go on, for example, like in the nursing area, they go on to help other people. And that's really an important thing for us.
In Judaism, there's a principle called tzedakah, the giving of charity. And I think that's something that Sandy and Malcolm not only learned as they grew up in the Jewish community, but really have taken into their own lives as a purpose and a mission. One of the ways we are able to continue to provide children in our congregation with a quality Jewish education is through the generosity of Sandy and Malcolm Berman. So to see people who really live that value in their own lives is very powerful.
Sandy and Malcolm are close friends of many of our board members and have attended our annual Gathering of Friends event in Florida for over a decade. And in a relatively short period of time, made their truly transformational gift to LifeBridge Health. The Bermans' gift have allowed us to create one of the most comprehensive neurological institutes on the East Coast, and has helped LifeBridge Health improve the outcomes for people with a wide range of neurological disorders, which strike an estimated 50 million Americans each year. If it weren't for their transformational gift, we wouldn't be where we are today, and these patients wouldn't receive the type of care necessary to improve their health.
13 years ago, Malcolm battled cancer, and Sandy and Malcolm really battled that together with their three sons.
She studied almost the entire country to find the best place for Malcolm and concluded that it was at GBMC. Sandy and Malcolm have made so many gifts to GBMC, and most of the money has been channeled towards our cancer program, and you find their name in many places on the walls at GBMC. Well, I have really enjoyed working with both Sandy and Malcolm. Sandy in particular because she's on the board and she is a main mover to help us get closer to our vision of treating everyone every time the way we want our own loved ones treated.
Sandy is a member of the board of directors at the Lyric, and Malcolm and Sandy together have made substantial commitments and supported the arts here in Baltimore and in Maryland.
She was just very, very receptive and very supportive of what we were trying to do with opera here in Baltimore. And she also liked the educational programs that we do. We reach out to over 30,000 students every year. And performing on this stage is a great thrill for them. Some of them go on to get scholarships in college because of the start they got here. And that start is in part made possible by the Berman's generosity.
I always say to Sandy and Malcolm, just think of all the thousands of people you've helped, and I know that it brings smiles to their faces.
Dyslexia Tutoring Program would like to congratulate the Bermans on their outstanding award, being Philanthropist of the Year.
Congratulations to both of you on your award today.
Thank you to the AFP for choosing the Bermans as Philanthropists of the Year.
Sandy and Malcolm, thank you so much for all you've done for GBMC Healthcare and the community.
You truly are representatives of Tikkun Olam, of repairing the world.
Congratulations, Sandy and Malcolm, for your honor of winning the Philanthropist of the Year from the AFP.
Sandy and Malcolm, I want to congratulate the two of you on receiving this award. I can't think of any two people more deserving than you. Congratulations.
Sandy and Malcolm, Jan and I want to thank you and congratulate you on this special day.
Sandy and Malcolm, I just want to thank you personally for all the incredible work you've done here at Bethel and in the community. This award is very well deserved. Mazel tov. Let's look forward to many good years.